You only have to put smell cloves in your scented candle to avoid having this problem again. Once you see how incredible it works, I assure you that you will want to use it in your house. I know it sounds a little weird, but it works wonderfully. If you usually have mosquitoes, flies, and other insects around your house, I'm sure you'd love to get rid of them as much as I do. The smell nail is a natural ingredient that you will love to apply because in addition to scaring away insects, it leaves a delicious aroma in your home. First, we are going to remove the empty containers from the smell cloves and remove the lids. Then we take a glass container and fill it with water. In my case, I will add about 10 tablespoons because I have several containers, but you use the amount you need, depending on the amount of smell cloves you have. Then we will add half of the previous amount of isopropyl alcohol or friction alcohol. Next, we take a good amount of smell cloves and put them in the mixture. We will use a spoon to mix and let it rest for about 20 minutes so that the cloves release all their properties. To intensify the aroma, we will add a few drops of vanilla essence. You can use the aroma you like best, but vanilla gives it a sweet and relaxing touch that complements the smell nail very well. After mixing it a little more, we fill the empty smell nail containers with the new mixture. Let me know in the comments what you normally do with these containers when they empty. Also, tell me from which city you are watching this video to send you a greeting in my next video. Today I want to send special greetings to 3 followers who always tune in to us. Jenny from California, Marta from Italy, and Mary from Virginia. Thank you for watching and sharing every video we publish. Once we have filled and covered the containers, you can place the scents in any room or place you prefer. Not only will you enjoy a pleasant smell, but you will also keep the insects away. You will love how it smells and how well it works against insects. Try it and tell me how it worked for you. If you made it this far, leave the word aromatizing in the comments. That way I'll know you saw the full video. This simple and natural solution is not only effective, but also a lovely addition to your home.